I am going to show you how to adjust a dimmable switch and a motion sensor switch. The dimmable switch go to the light in the bathroom, and the motion sensor switch control the exhaust fan. I will tag the item in the video, and also I will leave link in the description if you're interested in purchasing them. Using a flathead screwdriver to unscrew all of the 4 screws, then take the covering plate off. That will give you access to adjust both switches to your preference. For the dimmable switch, you can only adjust it once you dim the light all the way down. Then you have this little blue tab right here that's in the middle currently. You can push it up to make it not so dim and leave it in the middle, or you can go even lower. This is why we like it, because we like the bathroom to be really dim if we choose to, and that gives you a wider range once you dim in it now. But you have the option to go really low, in the middle, or not so dim. You can't go wrong with any of those choices. It's just a preference of how much light you want in the room. Let's move on to the motion sensor switch. You can use this motion sensor switch with lighting fixture or fans. You have 2 buttons you can use to adjust this motion sensor switch. This regular button up in front, and also this little button at the bottom. This button on the motion sensor you can use to turn the fixture or fan on and off manually if you choose to, but it also controls the duration of the fixture or fan. You have 5 settings when you use this button by itself. You have to press down and hold it, and a red light will flash at the motion sensor area. If you press and hold it, the first flash go into test mode. The second flash mean it's gonna last for 1 minute. The third flash mean it will last for 5 minutes. The fourth flash mean it will last for 15 minutes. And the last one mean it will flash for 30 minutes. And that should be the end of it. You have to make sure you hold it down until you see the amount of flash that go with how much time you need. Moving on to the small button on the side. Once you press it down and you see the first flash means that it will go on to auto on and auto off. You press it and hold it down. That's what the first flash means. In the setting of auto on and auto off, it means when you walk into the room, it will automatically turn the light or fan on. For example, in the previous setting, if you selected 15 minutes, that means once you leave the room, it will stay on for 15 minutes and then turn off. But if you stay in the room, as long as it keeps sensing you, it's not gonna turn off. And now going into the next setting, if you press the small button on the side again and wait for the second flash, 1, 2, you just saw the second flash, that means you will have to manually turn it on, and it will turn itself off automatically after the duration of time you previously select from the first setting, either 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes. And again, it will keep the light on or the fan on as long as there is motion in the room. And from the moment you leave the room, that's when it starts counting down to shutting itself up from that 1, 5, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes. In the last setting, you have to press and hold it down until you see the third light. First light just flash, second light, and third light. This means auto on daylight sensing and auto off. This is the last setting for this button. And the last option you have to adjust this motion sensor switch is by using the front button and the side button simultaneously. Make sure you press both buttons at the same time. The first flash means the motion sensitivity will be set to low. The second flash means the motion sensitivity will be set to high. And the last flash means everything will be factory reset. And this is how you can adjust your dimmable switch and your motion sensor switch. Again, I will tag the item in the video. I will also leave link in the description if you're interested in getting them. Don't forget to put your covering plate back on. I forgot to mention, all the settings for the motion sensor switch are auto off, but you can always turn it off manually. When I walk into the room, the fan should automatically turn on. And you just heard the clicking sound. And the fan is on. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope this video will help somebody out. Have a good day.